I'd later learn it was called a television, and in time it would teach me much about human behavior. But that night, it felt like a window into a whole new world.
You like that, huh?
Like it? I loved it.
Right foot on the gas, ease into the turn.